Science and discovery. What is evolution? In the heart of Whispering Woods lived a clever little rabbit named Remy. One sunny day, he found a peculiar stone that glowed and sparkled mysteriously. The more Remy learned about this stone, the more curious it became. This was the start of his journey to understand the wonders of evolution. Remy decided to study the stone day and night. He observed how it changed over time, noticing differences in its shape, size, and color. As Remy watched, he realized that each change was ever so slightly different from the last, just like him growing a tiny bit bigger every day. One evening, Remy met an old friend, Olaf the Wise Owl. He asked Olaf about the stone's mysterious changes. Olaf explained that these changes were called evolution, a process where creatures and things slowly change over time to better survive in their environment. Intrigued by evolution, Remy started testing the stone in various environments. He noticed that the stone adapted differently each time, from a shiny pink crystal in a sunny meadow to a rough black rock in a dark cave. As Remy observed more of Whispering Woods, he realized that every creature, from the tiny bugs to the great owls, was different in some way. He saw how each creature had its own unique features that helped it survive best in its environment. Remy shared what he had learned with his forest friends. Together, they marveled at how amazing evolution was and how it helped each creature thrive. The whole of Whispering Woods was buzzing with excitement about this fascinating concept. As days passed, Remy and his friends noticed how their adaptations made them better suited for certain tasks. For example, the rabbit with long ears became a great listener, while the squirrel with bushy tails excelled at gathering nuts. Over time, the forest bloomed with diverse creatures and plants that all lived in harmony thanks to evolution. Each creature had its unique strengths and weaknesses, but together, they created a balanced ecosystem that thrived. One day, Remy found that the stone had changed completely. It was now a small, dull pebble. He realized that its evolution was complete, and that it was time for him to learn more about his own evolution. And so, he embarked on another adventure, eager to discover more wonders of the natural world. Remy dedicated himself to learning as much as he could about evolution, determined to unravel its many secrets. He spent long hours researching, experimenting, and asking questions, just like the stone that started it all. Years passed, and Remy had become a wise and knowledgeable rabbit. He shared what he learned about evolution with his friends and inspired them to continue exploring their world as well. Remy's journey taught us that evolution is an incredible process that helps creatures and things adapt to their environment. By understanding this concept, we can appreciate how diverse our world truly is and marvel at its endless possibilities for growth and change.